introduce ourselves. My name is Ayu Lestari.
My name is Eva Fitri.
My name is Siti Manfuhatul Soleha.
My name is Sofi Ananda Putri.
My name is Nala Ramadhani.
My name is Putri Lestari.
Today we will do how to make ice idea and
Keep watching, guys! Today is very hot.
I'm sweating.
Aha!
What?
We make ice cream!
Yay! Ice cream!
Materials: 1 cup liquid milk, 500 ml water, ice, table salt, and chocolates. Tools: biscuit tins and basin to fill with ice.
Stir in my ingredients.
Milk and water are stirred until smooth. Once mixed, will it stand until cool.
Pin in a can. Number 1.
After cooling down, put the milk solution in the biscuit tins and close it tightly. Number 2, provide a basin that has been filled with ice cups and table salt.
Number 3.
Put the can containing the milk solution into the basin. Then rotate the can con for about 20 minutes.
Number 4.
We can store the finished butter in a container and then store it in the freezer to make it less tough. Pretty easy, is not it?